Greetings my friends and welcome back to another video. My name is Ntrade and today I'm going to show you what you can achieve nowadays with simple tech. Every day we're looking at how the world is developing. Every day we're looking at how AI is developing and how it's affecting every single part of our life. But a lot of people actually don't think about it ahead, that majority of the jobs are gonna be gone. They won't exist anymore, and that means the job market is gonna be much lower and people will have to look for money elsewhere, and it's better to start doing it now. That is why I'm vouching for trading to be an alternative as a side income for now, or the main income in the future. The sooner you start, the easier it will be for you in the future, and that is what I'm trying to preach here. And today I want to show you that even if you are a beginner, you can still go into the market and you can still make money. If you join my trading group, which you can find the link in the description below, you will get access to trading robots, trading tutorials, trading sessions with me and my team. We're going to show you how to trade. We're going to show you what to pay attention to. We're going to show you how to spot your entries, how to find profitable situations, and how to execute your trades perfectly so you are making money consistently. And today I actually wanted to show you how you can trade with one of the robots that we have. This robot is going to hit 5 different markets. You can select whatever you want, whatever asset you need, whatever market you want to trade on, and this will perform the analysis for you and give you a breakdown. So I want to show you how to do it. So let's get into trading, and if you're already interested and that is more than enough for you, then make sure to send me a message on Telegram at Ntrade_pro and I will get you in. But now let's dive into the market and let's see if we can squeeze out some profit. Let's go. All right, so here we are, pocket option. This is very simple, guys. Even as a complete beginner, if you go into the market right now with this tool, you will be able to trade. If you know the absolute basics, if you know what the trading assets are, if you understand how to look through trading assets, it's going to be super easy. But all you need to do is simply click one of the markets that you want to trade on. For example, right now I want to do a trade on real market. So real market, this means this is going to be not controlled by the broker. So the pairs that don't have OTC next to them is the ones that we're looking for. So we select real market and we're going to receive a list of assets that are available for trading right now, so you can look through these. And the next step is selecting a higher payout trading asset. You don't want to trade on trading assets that are below 80%. And also we have a brand new robot that will look for OTC market assets with only above 80% payouts and provide you with a breakdown and a trading signal for 1 minute. So if you want to trade with that, it's a brand new robot. We worked a lot. It also uses kind of the same tech that Evo Trader algorithm. However, the signals are completely automated, so you're not going to be picking the assets. It's going to be doing it for itself. But for now, I just want to show you this tool because this tool gives you more control of what you want to do. So let's go ahead and try to find the asset. Actually, Australian dollar, Canadian. Let's look if we have it. Yes, we do. So we select it, and the next step is to select the time frame. Now, the higher the time frame, the safer the trade will be. 1 minute time frame means that we are going to see a lot of movement happening because it's short term. So what you want to do is you want to select whatever is comfortable for you. I advise that if you are a beginner trader, go to 5 to 10 minutes. That should be more or less safer for you. For 1 minute, this is much quicker. Obviously, you're going to get more trades in. However, as I say, if you're a beginner, stick to a bit of a higher time frame. As you see, we have the time frames all the way from 1 minute to 1 day. So whatever is your trading style, you can find something for yourself here. I'm going to trade on 1 minute, so I'll press on 1 minute, and there it says you have selected the currency pair, Australian dollar, Canadian, and you selected the time frame for analysis, 1 minute. I press start analysis. I give the robot a few seconds, and we're gonna see the robot perform the analysis and give me a signal, a sell position. So I'm placing a sell position as suggested by the robot. I observe a few seconds, 10-15 seconds, to look if the price goes up. The price does go up, so I'm placing another sell position trade, and now we are good. The robot also not only sends you a screenshot, as you can see, this is the same chart that we are trading on, exactly the same, so you know this is not a random signal, but it also provides you a breakdown of a trade. Bollinger Bands tighten followed by a breakdown below the lower band confirming bearish pressure. And let's add actually Bollinger Bands here, and let's see that we have the breakout above, and we're looking for a reversal, of course, in a downwards direction. We already see the pushback here happening. 9 seconds left on this trade, and I need that red candle to start forming. So let's see if we're actually able to secure the first win of the day. And we take a loss, unfortunately. It is what it is, but we get the second one, and we could have gotten that one as well. So unfortunately we take a loss here, but it is fine. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna perform another analysis on the same chart. So we're gonna hit up Australian dollar Canadian again, and we're gonna go for 1 minute once again, and we're gonna price start analysis again. So just as simple as that, I'm gonna perform the same analysis on the same chart, and we're gonna see the robot if it changed the idea. And no, we're still taking a sell position here, so I'm gonna place more. And once again, look, ATR increases, confirming higher volatility with EMA50 pointing downwards. So let's delete the Bollinger Bands here, because now it's using a different indicator to analyze. And we're gonna add moving average, and we're gonna add a 50 EMA, because that is the one that we're interested in. So you can see that 50 EMA starts heading down. So that is what we're looking for here. We're looking for a reversal now, and this is actually going to yield us a lot of profit here after that massive candle appeared. This was a little bit slower. This previous candle was a bit slower, so this was risky. We did end up losing one trade and getting money on another one, but this one is where it's at. This trade is going to be much bigger for us, and this is going to provide us with a lot of money. And I also tell people, when you are trading, be responsible. You are responsible for the money that you're placing on trades, and you are responsible for the risk that you're taking. The robot is providing you with a signal. However, you have to manage your own funds. And this is why I'm saying don't place more than 1 to 5% of your entire balance on each trade, and that will already save you a lot of money and a lot of headache. And there you have it, beautiful execution, and we are starting to see massive profits. And if you want your trades to look like this, trading history to look like this, a lot of profit, look at all the money we're making, then make sure to send me a message on Telegram. But now let's hit up the OTC market, because why not, right? We want to make the best out of it, and we want to make the best out of each trading session we do. So let's find a good payout trading asset. All right, took me a bit of time, but I think we found a good asset. 92% payout. Australian dollar, United States dollar is going to be our asset. Let's select it. We're going to trade on 1 minute. So same process, we click on 1 minute and we press start analysis. We just wait for a couple of seconds for the analysis to come in, and after that we are going to take a buy position as suggested by the robot. MACD crosses above the signal line with momentum accelerating, indicating potential bullish pressure. So let's add MACD to our chart and let's see what we have. MACD is heading downwards. However, you can see on MACD we have green candles starting to pop up, which is a sign of a short-term reversal here. Obviously, it would be beautiful if we had the cross in the upwards direction, but we might see it pretty soon. We are 30 seconds into the trade, so let's observe it. And as I said, not only you are trading and making money automatically with this robot, but you are also learning how to interact with different indicators and what these indicators bring to the table. And this understanding is going to be crucial for you in the future, because you want to know how to use these tools. These tools are going to be super helpful to you. This is going to generate you most of the profit, and having 1 or 2 indicators that you really dig and really understand is going to be a game changer. And there it is, we make another $920, and let's do one more trade to seal the deal for us, and let's do it on crypto, because why not? Crypto is highly volatile. I don't suggest you to try it out if you are just getting into trading. I would suggest you stick to the real market and OTC market. OTC market is especially great because it is a controlled environment. The OTC market is controlled by the broker, but we are trading on crypto OTC, and even with that we are going to see a lot of volatility, because by nature crypto is quite volatile. We're gonna go for Bitcoin OTC, so let's select it, and same process. 1 minute Bitcoin is gonna go crazy. Let's press start analysis. We're gonna get our analysis in just a little bit, and we're gonna place our trade immediately. It's a buy position, so let's take a buy position right now. We place it. We have RSI, We have the analysis coming in, RSI. So we add RSI to the chart. RSI breaks the 50 level upward, confirming bullish sentiment, while EMA21 aligns upward. So we do have RSI breaking above 50, as you can see. So what we're looking for here is a nice green candle to secure the trade for us, and this is exactly what started to happen. But as I say, volatility is so high on crypto that this green candle can turn into a red candle within a few seconds. That is why I'm saying that you probably should stay away if you are a beginner in the market. You don't want to lose money on such a thing, and as you can see, this is exactly what's happening. The volatility is acting up, the candle is going up and down, and we actually might take a loss here. But as I say, it is what it is. The market is not going to be always going and playing in your favor. Unfortunately, we do take a loss, so we're gonna have to do another trade. So let's go ahead and do exactly that. We're gonna still continue trading on crypto. I'm still gonna do Bitcoin OTC because I want to show you what you can do. Let's go for 1 minute. Let's press start analysis and let's observe for a few seconds. The analysis is going to come in, and I always suggest perform the analysis every single time you're going into your trade. I'm going to place 3 trades right here. The Awesome Oscillator shows green bars while RSI rises sharply, and we do see the sharp rise on RSI. But let's also add Awesome Oscillator, and let's see, we see green bars appearing right here. So the analysis that we are seeing is actually playing out in real time, and these indicators are actually working. So let's observe the trade. We have 30 seconds to go. As I say, we are looking at high volatility on Bitcoin. So let's see if we are able to squeeze out this profit and return the loss that we had on the last trade. And here we are closing in nice and easy. We get all the profit, we return all the losses, and we make a nice hefty amount for our trading session. We took 2 losses and we've made so much money off of these trades. We hit up 3 different markets with this robot. It took us less than 11 minutes, exactly 11 minutes, and we've made over $5,000 with this trading robot. So there you have it. And if you would like to trade with this robot, send me a message on Telegram at Ntrade_pro. As I say, you will also get access to different robots that we have available. We have robots for all sorts of market, all trading styles. If you want to automatically get signals, you can do that. If you want to have more control and select which asset you want to trade on, you can do that as well. We have these tools. We have the trading sessions with me and my team where I perform the analysis myself and share the trades that I do. For example, here I'm on a chart also looking for potential situations. I'm marking the levels, I'm looking at where the price is heading. Everything is going to be tailored to you. We're going, even if you want individual trading sessions, we got it as well in my VIP trading group. So all you need to do is reach out to me. You're 1 click away. The links are in the description below. I appreciate you for watching, and of course I will catch you in the next one. Peace.